Hello again. Thank you for watching. I hope you're enjoying these videos. Bali has so much to offer in natural beauty. We're so lucky to see it and now sharing it with you. Something else I hope you saw in the Bali arrivals video linked here is how friendly the people are. My guess is that many people making day trips from Sanur to Kalingking and Broken Beach don't get to experience Diamond and Atun beaches. This ride was more than 1 hour, but so worth it. At this point, we hadn't seen any Hindu temples with good views, so I wanted to take advantage of this opportunity. Of course, we saw many after this one. Can you go back? I missed that. Pora Goose. This was the second day with us, and I missed many of the road signs to different attractions, but turning around was nearly impossible with the narrow roads. That's why I made that comment. Ready, Professor?
I'm super ready. You two are lampu nama. Yeah. For the former. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Senhora turista. Okay, Professor. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. The entrance to Diamond Beach. I recently saw an article online about a YouTube video of the stairs at Diamond Beach. Well, here's my version. I narrated much of the descent, unlike at Kaling King, so you'll hear my thoughts in the clips themselves. Note the ropes, turns, and near the top you can see two men working. They were using electric hammer drills and shovels to clear the debris. See if you can pick out the professor at the top. So headed down the stairs on Diamond Beach. It's in comparison to Killing King, it's at least this part of it so far is easier. Uh, and there's a caveat with that. They're working on it. So there's sand on the steps. That makes it a little slippery. And it was overcast and cloudy, but now the sun's really coming out, so it definitely adds a little extra with the sun. Do a quick pan. And somebody looks like they have an Air 2 also. And that's the treehouse way off in the distance there, which is an Airbnb from what I understand. So that turn there was a little tricky with from that post railing there down. I couldn't go forward. I had to turn around and go back down backwards. And here's the point where you need to take the rope down. So it's not really as long a trek as Killing King, but I don't think it's any less challenging. There's a lot less to grab hold of, and it's but the footing is pretty decent. And almost to the bottom. That must have been quite a slide. Plenty of places to take pictures. This was actually on the way back up. Right after I filmed this, I saw a couple from Portugal I'd met the previous day at Killing King. We bantered about in Portuguese for a bit and enjoyed the beauty we were experiencing.